Okay, good evening everyone. Welcome po ulit sa 6032 Cocktail Lounge. Thank you sa Musikerong Pagod and sa mga artists na kasama ko. Sa mga customers na narito, I hope you're enjoying the night and I hope you're enjoying the foods, the drinks. So ako po yung unang artist na magpe-perform for tonight. Ako po si Abril Gile from Rizal, from Tanay Rizal. Okay, first song, para po ito sa mga taong nagbibigay sa atin ng inspiration, especially during times when we don't feel inspired, and the people who continue to love us, not just because of who we are, but mainly because of the things that we are not. Title is My Miss.
You're by my side, say what's on my mind. I need to tell you now, you're always on my mind. And when you smile, it makes me more alive. Can you tell me why I feel this way inside? And I'll say, whoa, it's hard to understand how you came and suddenly change my life. And I'll say, whoa, so all it's like to be beside you in your paradise. You are the light that shines in the dark. You are what keeps me from breaking apart. You are what inspires me to smile when down. And this one just found love again. You are the brightest of all the stars. You are an angel sent from above. You like me in spite of the things
yung first song is My Muse. It's out on Spotify. It's supposed to be a full band. Yun. Full band din sana ako katulad ng mga susunod na artist. Kaya lang, nagka-problem lang sa skit nung band, ng session na kasama ko. Ayan. Kasi galing mo ang Palawan and then diretso sa game. So anyway, next song. Yung next song ko is, it's also out on Spotify. Para naman to sa mga may nagugustuhang kaibigan, na matalik na kaibigan. Ayan. Kaya lang nahihiya siya umamin sa kaibigan niya ng tunay niya nararamdaman kasi syempre pag umamin ka, sugal kasi yun. Pwedeng maging kaibigan na lang kayo or baka tsumamba, baka maging kayo. So yeah. Title ng kanta ay Story. Thank you. So again, title ng kanta is Story. And yan, ulitin ko lang po ang artist name ko po sa Spotify is Abril Gile. So A, B as in boy, RYLL, Gile, G-I-L-E. So yung mga songs na nilutog po ngayon, they are parang unplugged acoustic, but they're full band songs. Please check them out on Spotify. Okay. Kanta po muna ako ng isang malungkot na kanta. Yeah. So, next song is probably the saddest song I've ever written or I've written so far. This is about mental health, and this is about fighting our inner demons. And so we all had our fair share of fighting our negative thoughts, and some of us are not lucky. Some of us just cave in and give up. Some of us even end our own lives because they just can't bear the pain of having these demons in their minds. Fortunately, many of us are able to survive, just like me. And this song is a reflection of that experience. I hope with this song, you'll be able to realize that whatever hardships you're going through, suicide is never the answer. Medyo malungkot po to. Mamaya masaya ulit. At hindi pa po ito marirelease. Siguro next month to lalabas sa Spotify. Title nito is Demons in My Mind.
There's nothing left to lie. I'll say what's in my mind. Been hiding all the pain inside for the longest time. And when my days are done, the future's out of sight. I can't go on pretending everything is fine. Look into my eyes and realize I'm tired of all these fights with all these demons in my mind. But even though my heart is full of fears and filled with doubts, I'll strive, 'cause in this fight I will survive. You don't know what it's like to have this hole inside, to find your meaning in this life when you left behind. But when my days are done, I'll be my own true life. I'll never stop until I find this joy in life. Look into my eyes and realize I'm tired of all this fight with all these demons in my mind. But even though my heart is full of fears and filled with doubts, I'll strive, 'cause in this fight I will survive. Always feel all the fears I feel without. I'll try resist this fight. Oh, we'll survive.
Thank you. Okay. Pichi. Okay. So isang love song naman. This song is inspired by, of course, the love of my life. It's written out of gratitude for the chance to experience true love. After failing in love for 4 times, I thought hindi na ako makakaranas pa ng true love and magiging single lang ako. But on the fifth moment, ayun, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon at yan, pinagpala. So, ayun, out of that gratitude, nasulat ang kanta. Title ng kanta is Pinakahuling Yugto.
Tuwing kapiling mo'y nais na pigilan ang pag-ibig ng mundo. Lahat ng hirap ko pinapawi mo. Kaligayahan mo'y kaligayahan din ng isipan at puso ko, hanggang sa pinakahuling yugto. Ikaw na naman, mahalin ko ng lubos. Di man ikaw ang nasa puso ko. Ikaw na ang ibigin ko. Sa dulo na walang hanggan, hanggang sa pinakahuling yugto. Ikaw lang, mahalin ko ng lubos. Di man ikaw ang nasa puso ko. pinakamuling ito, ikaw lang maging ko na lubos. Di man ikaw umauna sa puso ko, ikaw na ang ibigin ko.
Thank you. So, thank you ulit sa 6032 Cocktail Lounge sa napakagandang venue. One of the most beautiful venues na natutugan ko so far. At salamat din sa musikerong pagod, sa kaalala ko sa sound, si Sir. And yun, so ano na my last song. So para naman to sa mga green flags. Sino mga green flags dito? Meron ba dito mga green flags? Taas sa kamay. Yung mga green flags na ano, na despite being a green flag, hindi talaga magustuhan yung nagugustuhan nila. Tapos ang mas masakit pa doon, ang pinili pa ng nagugustuhan nila yung may red flags. Hindi mo talaga maintindihan, di ba? It's a mystery. It's a mystery. Ayun lang, sabi ko. At yun yung inspiration behind this song. Para sa love story nila, pang second lead role ka lang talaga. At the end of the story, hindi ko yung makakatuluyan. Kasi yung makakatuluyan yung main lead. Ayan, tayo na naman tayo second lead role.
Gusto mo, wala namang gusto sa'yo. Nagsasayang ka lang ng oras mo. Kung lahat ng oras na binugol mo, binigay mo sana nararapat sa'yo. Sana hindi ka na nagsasana all. Mag-hit ka ba o tana o nagbubulag? Nagandil ba nadama na mahal kita? Bakit di na lang ako piliin mo? Ikaw lang ang puso ko binibigay sa'yo. Lahat ng nais mo, bali mo na paghihirap ko. Kahit pa nasasaktan ako, lahat gagawin ko, mabuhalan ang iyong sa daliri ko, mga paraan na sinubukan mo. Bakit siya pa rin ang gusto mo? Ano ba kasi mahirap na intindihin sa mga senyales na kasusuriin mo? Kung bagay sa'yo, ulit ka ba o na o nabubulag? Bulagan, di mo ba nadalama na mahal kita? Bakit yun na lang ako piliin mo? Ikaw lang naman ang puso ko binibigay sa'yo. Lahat ng nais mo, baliwala ang paghihirap ko. Kahit pa nasasaktan ako, lahat gagawin ko, mabuhalan ang iyong Bakit sa love story mo, siya pa ang libro? Huwag mo nang ikailan, mas bagay sa akin role ngayon. Hindi ka ba nagtataka, mas masaya pag tayong dalawa? Hindi ba lang napipilitan ka, mag-usap na tayo, ano ba? Bakit di na lang ako piliin nasasaktan ako. Lahat gagawin ko, mabuhay lang tayo. Bakit di na lang ako piliin mo? Ikaw lang naman ang puso ko, ibibigay sa'yo lahat ng nais ko. Paniwala paghihirap ko, kahit pa nasasaktan ako. Lahat gagawin ko, mabuhay lang tayo. Thank you.
Thank you po ulit. Again, Abel Gila po on Spotify and all social media. And please stay and watch the 5 next artists na mag-perform. Full band po yun, so masaya panoorin.